Help your kids like cleaning up. That's just one of the products created by these mompreneurs. They're moms who have mastered the art of raising kids, running the household, and creating products that have led to successful businesses. Trish Cooper is the creator of Zatz Who, and she's here with her daughter and business partner, Carrie Schweinoff. Ladies, thanks so much for being here. So, Trish, you guys are a mother-daughter team.
Yes, we are.
Okay, fantastic. And you came up with Zatz Who. What's that?
Well, Zatz Who is a creative learning game that helps build family bonds while protecting your pictures. You can slide your pictures in and out, and it helps not only teach who's who in the family circle, but colors, shapes, and more. And they come in a cute little tote so that kids can carry around their little treasured keepsakes.
And much like Amy was saying, this was born out of a need. You were showing your grandchild family photos, and they kept destroying the photos.
Exactly. She wanted to. I was teaching her who's who. And again, it's all about creating those family bonds early on. And she wanted to hold the pictures and was destroying them. So that was my solution to her doing that. Plus now she has a game. Well, it's more than just a game.
Yeah, it sure is. And Carrie, what's it been like to be part of this family mompreneur business?
It's been a whirlwind. It's awesome to do things that we've never done before. And I am just so happy to be part of something. I knew when my mother was creating it that she wanted to use Zatz Who as a vehicle to give back to special causes. And I just wanted to be a part of that, especially since my husband is a veteran Army sergeant of Iraq and Afghanistan. So,
and we should mention that you give to Operation Shower, is it?
Yes, we do.
Tell us what that is.
It is an on-site, they give on-site baby showers to moms who are pregnant whose husbands are deployed.
Wow, that is a wonderful cause. And people can find it, I take it, at Operation, what's the website?
It's operationshower.org.
Great. Yeah. And also, again, this came out of you losing your job.
I lost my job in 2009 and couldn't find another, which, you know, it's pretty depressing.
Yeah.
The fortunate part is the bright spot was my granddaughter. So I owe this all to playing with my granddaughter, but I wanted to teach her about family and all of those relationships and such.
Thanks so much for sharing all this with us. We'll put links on it with our website. We really appreciate it, ladies.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks so much for coming in.